Out and about, English Year 3, Get Smart Plus 3, page 70. What's the time? Where are you? In this lesson, you will learn about these two questions and answers. Today's objective is about what's the time? What's the time? It's where are you? I'm at the... First thing first, let's recap about the time. When the long hand of a clock pointing to number 12, we describe the time as o'clock. When the long hand points at number 6, we describe the time as half past. But when the long hand points at number 3, it is described as a quarter past. When the long hand points at number 9, we say a quarter to. A quarter to o'clock. A quarter past. Half past. Let's look at some examples. What's the time? The long hand points at number 12. It's 3 o'clock. What's the time? It's 6 o'clock. What's the time? It's 3:30. What's the time? It's 12:30. What's the time? It's 8:15. What's the time? It's 9:15. What's the time? It's 11:15. What's the time? It's 6:45. What's the time? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is 5:15. It's 5:15. What's the time? 45 minutes is 2:45. It's 2:45. Why 3? Because the time is going to approach 3 o'clock. What's the time? 00 means o'clock. It's 4 o'clock.
Where are you?
I'm at the hospital.
Where are you?
I'm at the school.
Where are you?
I'm at the park.
Where are you?
I'm at the cinema.
Where are you?
I'm at the library.
Where are you?
I'm at the restaurant.
Where are you?
I'm at the swimming pool.
Where are you?
I'm at the flower shop.
Module 7. Let's play. Vocabulary. It's 2:45. It's 11:15. Activity 1.
Listen and read, then play. Use the pictures on page 131.
What's the time?
It's 4:15.
Where are you?
I'm at the cinema.
Roll the VT, ask and answer. How to play this activity? Firstly, you have to play the video. Hit pause to stop. Ask and answer. What's the time? Where are you? Shall we begin? Just hit the pause to stop. Then ask and answer. Speak up, children. Send voice notes of this speaking practice to your teacher. You can do it. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.